This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into Teams with a work or school account and make sure both devices are online. Once done, open a chat or meeting with the person whose PC you'll access. This is required because Teams uses their consent flow. Make sure screen sharing and remote control are enabled in Teams settings so the control option appears. Now request to share screen or ask them to start a meeting. That begins the remote desktop process immediately. Once the respondent shares their screen, you'll use Teams' Give Control feature to take over. Click Share, pick Desktop or the specific window, then select Give Control from the sharing toolbar. This sends a prompt. The other person must accept for you to get control. This preserves security and consent. While controlling, use the Teams toolbar to access keyboard and clipboard features. If you need secure sequences like Control plus Alt plus Delete, use the toolbar's alternatives. Keep communication open so they can revoke control anytime. To finish, stop sharing or have the host click Take Back Control. Either action ends the session immediately. If you experience lag or disconnections, make sure both networks are stable, close unused apps, lower shared screen resolution, or restart Teams. These steps reduce bandwidth pressure. If the Give Control button is missing, check Teams admin policies and local privacy settings. Admins can block remote control. Finally, always confirm the other user can revoke access at any time and that you both sign out when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.